Today, I'll show you how to quickly blur faces in your videos using the face-off effect. This is perfect for hiding identities or creating a fun sensor effect. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline and select the clip which you want to blur a face. Now, head over to the effects panel and search for face blur. Here you can see that we have an effect called face off. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip and Filmora will automatically detect and track faces in the video. By default, Filmora applies a pixelated blur to the clip. Once applied, the effect will track the face throughout the video, ensuring it stays blurred even if the person moves. Simply select the clip, go to the Effects tab on the right side editing panel, and you can customize the effect by changing the effect from blur to any emojis or custom images. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a face in Filmora in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips